Yo, what's good, guys? We're back with another video here today. In today's video, we're just hopefully this possibly could be my final tweaks for this website. I just have to fix the admin page for his website and it should be completed. I mean, I don't know if you all would like to add any input into the website that I'm building right now. I mean, you all can comment it below, whatever I commented in today's live stream, whatever. Um, Hopefully my limit for ChatGPT has run out, so hopefully we can finish that in time. And the next project I'm planning to do right after this is I'm planning to do as well a oh well, I should also check the security checks for this as well to ensure that it is good. But who knows, maybe at a later date, because right now, to be honest, there's not really any um any like this website isn't really going and go functional. I'm just building it as a project. So if anyone wants to purchase it from me or whatever, I mean, they can always hit me up or whatever. So um what was I gonna say? Yeah, the limit. Yeah, oh yeah, the next website I was planning to build is a fitness website. So that's the next website we will plan to do for next stream if everything goes accordingly well with this, and hopefully it should. I mean, who knows, if this might not be a long stream. Who knows, you could even jump into the other project right now. So um yeah, just make sure you like the video, share, subscribe. Hopefully Rumble is working because it's giving some problems these past few days. So I'm hoping that Rumble is working. And yeah, man, let's just get straight into it. So here's a project, whatever. I should honestly get cleared of some of these here before I move on. And I kind of like to save these things here just for the stream. So what I'll do is let me just move this to the side. Let's kind of neaten up the code a bit because we're almost done. And I want to ensure that all the files are like I have the correct files and everything like that. So whenever it comes to like doing over this project, it's in a very secure place. So let's just fix up some of these real quick. So contact before we actually get into it. And I mean, I said, but there's one bug to fix, so it shouldn't really be that long. So, but yeah, let's find this contact on this thing here, and let's try to get down. Let's remove all these from here. And if you all don't know why I'm doing this, if you watch my previous stream, the reason why I have these here in a Word document is simply because it's easier to type in the ChatGPT instead of putting your files on, like you're running down your limits. It's better just to copy this into a Word document so you can just copy and paste it into the chat box. So that is why I am doing this, as you can see. Let me just get this done real quick. All right, so that's a contact. Let's go to auth ut8.jx. I won't lie, man. I did learn a lot from this project, and especially from using ChatGPT a lot. I know what to do from now on. I would never use Gemini to build a project ever again. Gemini is absolutely the worst AI I've ever seen or ever used. So I would never use Gemini ever again. It is terrible, respectfully. So from now on, I'm using ChatGPT and ChatGPT alone, man. Yeah, I mean, I don't care if my limits run out. I would figure a way out, man. Because, bro, at first I started creating this project using um I started creating this project using Google Gemini, and man, it had so many bugs, bro, so many bugs. So from now on, I'm only using ChatGPT and ChatGPT alone. Yeah, man. So I said what I said, man. So for all this Google guys out there, man, nah, bro. Gemini, put that in the waters, bro. So respectfully, that AI is not good, bro. It is terrible. So let's put app.jx now. There's still a couple of files I have to go, but it shouldn't really be that long. So let's remove this here. Yeah, usually I know I could have done this offline, but I mean, hey man, I to get them views right. Yeah, I have to get his watch times down, man. So and also, I mean, obviously for new viewers as well, you know, some of y'all can benefit from what I'm doing. So who knows, maybe doing it offline is probably not the best idea. I mean, I could share what I do in order to get the best results from ChatGPT. So yeah, I said I try to make this stream as bruh, hold on, sorry. Yeah, I try to make this stream as informative as possible and ensuring that when people join my streams, they are able to learn something and be able to apply it the next time. I mean, as if I most definitely learn something from this project that I am never using Gemini ever again to create a project, even though ChatGPT limits are a bit crazy, but at least that I can get a fully functional website without having to deal with too many hallucinations from the AI. So yeah, let's remove this now. Because even stuff like when I try to use Gemini to even like build like thumbnails and stuff for me, like I mean I could even show that for you all. Like, yeah, let me kind of give you as a quick example real quick. I know this wasn't really planned, but this is kind of like give you all what a daily of what I want, what happens, right? I don't think it shows any. Yeah. So I kind of use Gemini to like help me with like thumbnails and whatever, right? So when it comes to this, right? And well, let me start with this. So I ask, oh wait, this how to be deleted because it doesn't. Well, you see, even like this, right? So I asked it to like do a graphic design for me, whatever, right? And it basically created this. Like I told it that, yo, actually create. I don't want to show the prompt because it's kind of a secret prompt that I use, but basically I told it that, yo, build this for me, and it still didn't understand. It literally wrote it down. I had another example where it showed me. Let me delete this for now, so I don't need this anymore. I mean, and don't get me wrong, there are sometimes where it does come out good, as you can see here. Um, so yeah, this is why I asked it to like build like thumbnails and stuff for me. Like sorry, I asked it to create like titles for me, YouTube titles, and you can see that it so I basically give it the scenario, and it basically it basically comes up with like titles for me based on that scenario. So I mean it does it well here. I mean, I'm sure I can use ChatGPT as well, but I said because of the limits, I'm not really trying to um like dive so deep into it. But you can see that I use it a lot. You can see from the side here. Can you see what or yeah, I use it for like thumbnails. Sorry, for titles, as you see here again. Then I'm looking for the other one. Where do like my news videos? Um, oh, this was no, this was that. No, that was that one. Ah, here it is. No, but I have so many. Okay, here it is. Yeah, so like basically, I have a script that I go to these websites and get a script. And what I do is I will just literally just copy it, right? I will copy what all the words and stuff that was in that article and basically tell ChatGPT, yo, just give me, or Gemini, just give me like a 15-second summary of this so that I can like speak about it, and well, voila, you can see that it basically gives me it. So it's still good for certain things, but it really struggles, if I'm being honest. Like you see here, it kind of now understands it a bit. Like it kind of does it a bit, but at first, like because I told her exactly, yo, create like a YouTube thumbnail design. It's creating like an Instagram post or some, like, you know what I mean? Like you can see what it does. So sometimes like I have to kind of go into Canva now and like just zoom up on this. So like the thumbnail, even though it looks decent, right? It still looks a bit off because you're not seeing the full, the how fully that I want it to be. So yeah, I mean, even this one was crazy. Like I told it like nine, I told it 16.9 and it went to 9.16. Like, bro, it is, bro, yeah, man. Um, um, ChatGPT is on top, man, respectfully. ChatGPT is on top, man. No respect to the Gemini, but, or Google, sorry, but now, bro, y'all are cooked, man. Bro, yeah, man, y'all are cooked, man. Contact.jx. Alright, so let's do this one now. They just got a few more files to go and one was done. But yeah, I have to do this just to like obviously make it a bit neater, but also to make it easier for me to read and understand as well and for you all. So, but why can I not see? So it said contact dot, oh, I said contact.js though. I was like, why the hell I was doing that? Oh wait, this must be a new, okay, this must be a new, okay, never mind. This must be new. Alright, so let's go all the way down then. This must be a new, oh shoots. Damn it. Well, I mean, I would think that was really, hold on, let me just move this to the side real quick. Yeah, man, that's the one thing about this project, man. You gotta be so careful, bro. Because, even, like, stuff like that can happen. So, man, I probably doxed myself so many times. So, bro, it is, man. That what happens when you, like, try to build, like, live projects, though. So, I mean, it's not, it's not fake or whatever. Um, all right, you know what? Let me start with some of these new files though. Hold on real quick. Newsletter notes.jx. Oh wait, no, shoot. You know what I remember? Sorry. No, I have to do a freelancer page. I know, I just remembered. Yeah, my bad. I completely forgot about that. Yeah, so that project I was talking about with the fitness website, I may have to put that on hold because I have to nah, there was if a freelance website that I had to build at first. So yeah, so that will be my next project. All right, now let me. All right, hold on. Before I switch it back to this screen, let me just, because there is still sensitive data on the screen, so I can't really show it because I already talked myself enough. But just give me 1 second here. make sure everything here is all right. Right. Then now let me remove this file and then I can show back my screen. All right, so that is done. Then let's remove this and let's go to footer.jsx. All right, and let's switch back the screens now so you can see what I'm doing. To do so. All right, so let's remove this now. Let's remove this. Oh shoot, damn it. You know, I could have still done it then. All right, so that done. And then let's move to header. Oh my gosh. Bro, that was okay then. Header.jxs. All right. And this is the final one. And let's move on to the admin page, guys. All right. And let's do this. All right, so that is done. Now that is done. All right, so now that is done, what we have to do to see that we're getting a raw problem, what we most likely have to pull up is the admin.jx. We have to pull up maybe the API. Have to pull up the auth because obviously it's most likely dealing with the backend, right? Then auth controller, and yeah. So let's fix these now. Oh yeah, and probably open up the server.jx as well too. Alright, so now let me explain the issue that I'm having with ChatGPT. So hey, well, first to begin, let me just tell it that hey, well, it is working now, right? But I have a I have another problem when I try to log in as a admin. I am getting this error. So now let me try to log in now as an admin, right? So let's go to open up this npm run dev, right? And then let's go to npm start, right? Right, so because sensitive data again, I have to move this to the side. And now let me, sorry, I'll put in the wrong email. And let me move this here to the side. Right, so this is the error that I'm getting, right? So let's inspect the console. So I should say on page, right? In console, just put that error in console. Um, let's copy this. These are some files that are related to the admin page. Also, I did send you all my files. So if these files are not the problem, go back to all the files I sent you. Right? So now let me just pull this to the side here, and let me just copy and paste all these codes, right? So let's go to admin.jx. Alright, so that's the first one. Then let's go to API.jx. Then let's go with auth.jx. Then server.js, sorry, and then the auto controller. You know what? Let me just add some bonus files to this as well too. Let me add the API, the app, sorry, app.jx. Let me add this just in case, and let me add also the admin dashboard. And I should add admin dashboard and protected routes as well too. So let me admin dashboard.jxx, and let me add, I wonder if protected route was anywhere in the backend though. I'm not seeing anything, so I guess I'll take protected routes from the front part of it. And let's go with this one, protected routes dot jxx. The error say that sees everything happen when you actually render for looking at the files you shared, and now you're using the path is fine. Where the problem lies is probably in protected object. Right now you're returning child directly. Meaning, see, this is what I mean. Like, bro, it said probably. Like, we mean probably. Like, brother, is either you know or you don't know, you know, brethren. Like, I mean probably. Anyhow, where the problem is likely happening, it's probably in protected router JXX. Right now, you are returning child directly. That's fine. But if somewhere you accidentally wrapped protected route like this, instead of passing through inside like you did in app.jxx, then protector route may be trying to render. It's since in the code you share protector does not render. I think issue is that you might be importing just using protector route incorrectly in some file. Make sure that in R you always use it like this and never like this. Okay. So it's time to go to my wrap, path admin element protector route. You can admin role, admin dashboard. Yeah, I mean, I do have that. Search your project for if there's any else using. You see, but this is what I mean. Like, bro, I literally gave you, like, I don't understand. I mean, okay, like this. Yes, it's, yes, the admin dashboard was working before, but then something changed in the code. But as I said, I gave you all my codes. You should be able to look back at all my codes and help me solve this problem. Let's carefully walk through the code you paste. Snippet, the syntax, where the error usually sneaks in. The error usually is where I'm using doing something else like search your whole project, but make sure that it's only used inside. But see, this is what I mean. Again, I literally told it again that yo, I gave you all my code, so why can't you not find it for me? You know what I mean? So like, I literally gave you all the code. Why can't you not find it for me? Like I don't understand. I don't get it, bro. Like I gave you everything, bro. Like what do you mean? Like you're still confused, man? Like that makes zero sense, bro. Say search your whole problem. Sorry, search your whole project for protected route. Make sure it's only used inside elements. Example of correct usage. But I mean, I did have that. Check your arm and natural end, but sometimes people accidentally put route. But see, why is it about people though? I don't care about people. What is my project saying? Man, this is no, this is a massive red flag though. Like I don't care what the people say, like bro. What is it my stuff, man? Sometimes people accidentally put raw inside the dashboard. So for example, if I'm in dashboard or something like that doesn't make sense though. That way you're running the app, you see and you know exactly what is being passed as sure. If you see it means one of your commands like yeah, I'm actually returning which is route or which is the root cause. Okay, now let's see this let's add it. Okay, so where would I put these two console log codes in my code for both files? Okay, so let's copy this then. This saying to add it on top. So let's copy this. Let's add it. Where is it? So it's saying to add it right above it. But that not making no sense. What? If I do exactly how they put it, so they're saying to do so, then do so. I never said for you to pop up, sir. then piece like this, then bro, that is not working, bro. I don't know what stupidness they just gave me, bro, but that is not working, mates. You know, let me just copy this entire part here. I don't know what was that, but brother, that is not working, bro. Apparently, it's still saying that it's feeling to comply though. Okay, you know what? Let me just do this instead. Hold on, just give me 1 second here. Alright, so what I'm going to tell it to do, okay, here is my full files for both the app.jxx and the let me see if I can get it fixed for the admin log then. Protected routes, and it's saying where should I put this code? So it's saying to add 2 console lines though. Pretty interesting, and it's saying to add that before user. But where is user though? Bro, you see this what I mean, man? Like, bro, it just spitting code and it's not even. Yeah, bro, it just spitting code and there's nothing. Okay, you know what? Yeah, am I? Yeah, I'm literally in the correct. Like, bro, what? Like, bro, it's literally two different codes, bro. Because it seems to do it right exactly under there. But whatever, yes. Alright, let's just do this for this thing. Here's my full address and file. Can you update it with the console log code? Ensure that the existing logic is intact and all the codes are functional, right? Because I don't know why I'm getting an error trying to like type this in, so I'm just be like, you know what, bro? Hey man, here's the code, man. You'll handle it from there. All right, let's wait a couple of for this to get to load up. Time does pass by when you're having fun, man. All right, let's see where they put it though. You see, I literally added it right there though. So I mean, I don't get why it was giving me that problem though. Because it seems it's added on top here though, but I literally did. Yeah, bro. What, bro? So how come? So this thing has made me waste a whole, bro. This man, bro. All right, you know, what? Let's do this over now. Let me put this mark across here. All right, let's start it back over. I probably should have logged out. Hold on. Let me just log out. I probably closed it on. That's why. Damn it. Supposed to log out first, though. But it is what it is. All right. npm run dev. Then let's go to clients. Then npm start. Hopefully you all are not hearing that background noise, though. I don't think you all are hearing it, which is good. All right, so even though it logs me in, let's go to inspect. Let's say ensure everything is cool. And to admin. And saying that, okay, let's copy all this now. Wait, hold on, sorry. Let's copy all this, copy all this. All right, let's go copy all this. I'll be like, okay, so here is the errors in my console. All right, so hopefully now they should fix it. Let's see. Thanks for placing the error. The keypad is a route. This means your protector is returning a row instead of an element, but in React row v6 route should only live inside row like you have in average. So protector should return child of navigate, not route. Here's how your protector should look. Why this fixes it? Yam is already doing. That means whether it should not return route, it should only decide whether to return like I'm not sure or navigate directly to them. So you show me your current predator. I swear it was a inside which is causing the crush. Alright, so let's copy it. I mean, when you want me to find, alright? Let's copy this. Where is the file? Alright, let me just move this here a bit. So let me kind of close on some of these things here. So I had 38 files. So let's remove this. Now I have 40 files. Let's run it back. Damn it. Sometimes I be forgetting to log out. Alright, let's go back to it. Let's go to, where is the files, man? Right, server, open up this, npm run dev. Then npm start. And it should pop up on the side here real quick. Alright, let's go back to admin. There is only ever using channel program and never render directory. Please wrap your route any routes. Beautiful thing is actually telling you what to do though. It says that Okay, so with these changes, I am still not able to see or go to my admin dashboard. Here is the errors again from my console and page. The page error tells you what you need to do. And then error in console. All right, there you go now. Oh man, let's see if this works, man. Let's see if this works. Here's the pattern you should use in app.jxx. Incorrect way, your current problem. You're like, yeah, I'm something like this. Notice the direct route usage. This causes the exact error you're seeing because it was not inside route. So this fixes those routes are wrapped inside route. Never use route directly inside router. Yeah, but I'm confused though. So because so it's saying that my function, sorry. So what is this here though? Because okay, let me control F this, right? So function. Yeah, I think I spelled this wrong. Hold on. FUN. Yeah, so I don't what? There literally is no code called function, bro. What are you talking about? So would you like me to go through your last shit and finally rewrite it with the fix applied so you can copy and paste the test? Oh, hold on, give me shoot, I think you all okay now you all can see that. Hold on, give me 1 second here, guys. Sorry about this. Man, next time I'm putting on do not disturb, bro. Man, bro. Damn it, man. Bro. That's annoying, man. Oh, let me just write this on my screen real quick. Um, Yeah, let's write this down real quick. All right, put that there. All right, so yeah, let me go back to this because this is confusing though. Like, what do you mean? Like, I literally have none of this code here. Okay, so say not to upgrade my app.jxs, right? Okay, okay, well, here is my full app.jxs file. Please update the code and ensure that the existing logic of the codes stays the same and are functional. App.jxx. Alright. Let's see if this can fix it. Alright, so it's saying that it leaves all the logic intact and stuff like that. So it's just to copy and paste this, man. Because this doesn't make sense, but we'll figure it out. We shall figure it out. I see someone's asking me about something like that, but I'll come back to that though. Alright, so let me make sure I had 151 lines of code. Now I have 156. Alright, let's see. Bro, see this, bro. ChatGPT, man. Bro, oh my gosh, man. Ah, okay. Let's do this again, man. Alright, let's do this over again. See, this is what I mean, bro. Like, it really, bro. I'm trying to tell you, man. Web developers, bro. Man, don't, man, bro. AI is not taking over this job, bro. It is not taking over this job, bro. Man, it is not taking over this job. Man, did, bro. See, this is why what I'm working on, bro, man, it's gonna absolutely disrupt ChatGPT, man. And I'm gonna use ChatGPT to help me build this project too, so which is, funny. But yeah, but bro, this thing, bro, this man, bro, this thing struggles with logic, bro. So something that's supposed to be quote unquote logical, it struggles with logic, man. So this is ridiculous, man. Like, bro, come on, man. And I'll tell it, well, okay, let's see. Okay, chat GPT. The files, or I should say that the codes that you gave me are still not working. Please use critical thinking, skills and help me solve this problem. To remind you the problem I am having is that when I log in as a admin and I try to go to my admin dashboard, I am getting this error. Please understand before responding. But please understand my problem before responding. If you need any more files, please let me know, but don't forget that I did send you all my files at the beginning. All right. Let's see. Hopefully, it can fix it from there. But it may take a while because it's probably gonna use the thinking. Yep, it's probably gonna use that. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back real quick. All right, then let's go back to it. Thanks. I dug into the problem and reproduced the reason that leads to the exact error. A route is only to be used as the child of route element never rendering directly. That error happens when some components in your app runs a route element inside the component itself is being rendered inside a route tree. React route v6 forbids rendering route anywhere except direct children of routes. In your code base there were two different protect route implementations floating around. An old broken version you posted earlier returned a route from inside the command that will cause the exact error you seeing when it gets mounted. Newer version, the correct one, returns child. This one is good. The old project file is preset or being imported. The route error will persist. It's saying that I have a. It's saying that there's another protected route. Ah, I see why. Okay. Okay, so I see it. So why I change what to replace with a single switch to the correct import style facing client components overrides the existing one. Okay, I can see what you mean. So I do have two protected routes .jxx files. I will send both of them and you can correct them based on the scenario that I gave you. All right, so let's go to the first one. So one protected route, the JXX file is located in a components folder inside the client folder. Here is the code. Also, the second protected route .jxx file is located in, where was it? So this looks like this is in the source folder, right? I believe so. Yeah, source folder. Okay, so also the second file is located in components folder, which this folder is inside the SRS folder and the SRC folder is inside the client folder. Here is the code. All right, let's see if it understands it from there. The first file is correct in concept using our to check. Issue incorrect budget and a name upon itself to point. Second is a bad one. It still returns a exact why you trigger the error. So React is sometimes importing the wrong version depending on your import path. What to do? Fix, span, delete, or rename the bad file. Remove this one entirely. It should not exist in a React Route Research project. Keep only the good one. Updated soldier is imported. Verify imported app. Make sure your R is imported from the correct file and not from clean and build. So stop using dev server delete .5 or if you're using error, then okay. So it's saying, damn, sorry, my limit ran out. Stuff. All right, well, if this fix doesn't work, we have to continue this another time. But let's see. So it's saying what to do: fix plan, delete or rename the bad file, remove this one entirely. So it's saying client, source components protected. It's saying to delete this one and keep the going. So client, source components. Wait, what? That doesn't make sense though. I mean, I don't think I told it that though. I think it misunderstood. They're saying two sources, which doesn't make sense. They say remove this one. I'm thinking that it means to remove this one though. Shoot, my bad. Hold on. Yeah, I'm thinking it's saying to remove. Bro, I know, wait, this scenario finishes till quite 11:25 p.m. tomorrow. That is wild, son. What the hell? I mean, if I remove that attachment, what would happen? Can you I wonder if you can like check. Oh, you can't. Ah, that's dumb, man. Wait, you see, but this doesn't make sense though, because saying client source components. But anyway, let's update it though. Let's update this one. Let's see. Wait, it's using the wrong. Hold on. All right, let me fix this real quick. And let me copy this instead. Well, give me 1 second here. All right, now it's fixed. So let's see. What I will do too as well is just Control C this for now and delete it. Make sure everything here is running perfectly. I mean, I do have to restart the server anyhow. So let's remove this now. Let's start over. I mean, I still am seeing the errors, which doesn't really look like a good sign. But let's see. Let's go to, let me just move this back here across. Where the hell is the file, bro? All right, let's just open up, so npm run dev. All right, so server is running, and then npm start. Right, so it's logging. Let's click login. Now let me get my password. So let me move this here real quick. I'll put back this across here for now. And let me log in. Oh my gosh, it freaking worked, man. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Yes, sir. Let's go. Well done, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. W. But I mean, looks like there are some few fixes to fix with this, so yeah, it's not really looking it's not really looking that presentable, but yeah. Let's go, man. Yeah, I just had to do some more fixes there though. Let me see. Do this real quick. Looks like it's nah. I'll do some fixes to this, but nah. I'll stop it there though. I'll stop it there for now. But yeah, man. It finally works, bro. Well done. Let's go, man. Let's go. W's, W's, W's. Let's go. Look like there's a file that I have to update, but it looks like we have to wait quite tomorrow to do this. But me get to start a new chat, obviously. So, but yeah, man. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. That was a W at the end there. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you back in another video. Later, guys.